for the 2022 Nissan Frontier. The airbag module is right in the center console right here. So what you need to do to get to the airbag module, first of all, you pry this open. This one here, you pry it open. Just dip your flathead screwdriver on the side here. As you dip it there, you pry it open. So once you pull it open, this will come off. Once this comes off, then you can pry this one open by just go right here, you pry it open here, you pry it open on the side, and this will come off. So once this comes off, you're gonna see airbag module is right here. So next thing you're gonna do is detach all the wires one by one. This is one right here. You detach this one first. That's off. Then you go inside there. You go inside. This is the SRS module right there, if you can see. Don't know if you can see this here. Yeah, right here. This is it right here. So we have a 10mm bolt here, right here. There's 110 here. There's another 10 here, and I believe there will be another 10. Yes, somewhere right there. There's another 10 right there. You can see. You take this off. Then you detach the clip. First of all, let's take this out here. This one here. You take this pull this out from where it's here. Yeah. See, we have 10mm here, another 10mm here. There is another 10mm here. I've disconnected this cable, this plug here. So we're gonna take those out, and then we have, I believe there are three of them, not two. There are three of them here. There you can see this yellow and red plug here. This is right here underneath this place. I'm not sure if you can see them clearly. Yeah, right there. This one. So we're gonna take those out. So you can see. I don't know if you can see. Aha, yeah, right there. There are three of them. Those three orange tabs. We're gonna take those out, and then once we take those out, we should be good to pull out the airbag module for this 2022 Nissan Frontier. This should be pretty easy. So what we do is on that red tab, on that orange tab, sorry, not red, orange, right here. I don't know if you can still see my tool right here. You just need to push on the, see, if you can see, I don't know if you can see my, and I'm trying to, yeah, this way right here. Just need to push on this, and once you push it, see, that comes right out. See that? Yes. So push right here. That will come off. So when that come off, this tab should just easy slide out by itself. See that? That's out. See, very easy. Should be pretty easy. Just slide out. That's out. Yes. So once that one is out, then you do the next one. That's another one. That one is out. Then the third one is just the same way also. You push on that red tab. Just push it. It's push it a little hard. It's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna break. The place is a little bit tight, but just gonna do that. See, the third one, you just push it hard, and then it's off. Yeah, that's it. It's out. So you can see that's out also. Is it? Yeah, that's it. Yep, that's it. So once you get those 3 wires out, once you get those three wires out of the way, then next thing you're gonna do is take out the 3 10 millimeters that are holding it down, and your airbag module should be out of there. So you can see, yeah, should be out of there. All right, let's take out the 10 millimeters. Third one is right there. So that's done. One. You're gonna have to keep the bolt somewhere safe. Otherwise, it's gonna be a problem. We want to put them back. Then we get the third one here, and here is our airbag module. Yep, it's the airbag module. So we take this out and then we send it along with the seat belts for the crash codes to be erased, and then we come back when they're done for the re-installation. I will see you in the next video.